We all want to get more visible and get more followers on Instagram, but hashtags don't work like they used to in 2020. So how do we actually gain a following? Reels. Now, if you're a busy business owner or creator like me, you don't have all day to shoot the video, edit, add text, and then cut it. So in this video, I'm going to show you a secret trick that I learned to create 30 reels in under an hour, if even that. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Sabah, the owner of a multi-six-figure online education company, and I am so excited to show you this strategy. When I learned about it, I was hooked because it made my reels look professional, easy to edit, and super time efficient for me to create video. So let's get right into it. All you need for this is one long form video. So whether that's a video that you have uploaded on YouTube, a training that you did, you probably have so many videos that you can chop up and turn into reels. So to make it easier to show you, let's look at my screen. Now there's this platform called Vidyo.ai. I found out about this from one of my friends and I am absolutely hooked because this is basically an AI platform where if you upload a video, it will cut all the shorts and all the reels for you and even add text. So right now you can see I only have the free version, but even in the free version, it gives you 75 minutes. So I've uploaded 4 videos, allowed me to create so many short form videos, and it is super easy for me to do. So let's try it out. So click on import video and it'll give you the option to either upload a file on your laptop, or you can actually copy and paste a YouTube link and create short form videos from your YouTubes without uploading it. Now, for this case, I usually always use my YouTube videos because sometimes it takes a little bit of time to upload through your laptop. So let's go to my YouTube and let's grab the first video right here. This one's about TikTok. All you have to do is copy the link and then come back over here and hit paste. And then if you click on start import, it will start to process your video so that way it can create shorts for you. Now, this will give you the option to personalize your videos if you want to add like your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter handle right below right here. Personally, for me, I don't like to have additional text on my short form video, so I'll just hit done. Now, what's going to happen is it is going to start to process your video. Now, since I already have 4 videos uploaded, usually there's an additional step where it will ask you what type of videos you really love. I can't show you on this since I already have 4 videos processed, but you'll see when you do it on your own, it'll give you the option to pick from templates and that way you can customize it. Now, it doesn't really matter what templates you pick because after the video's processed, you can customize the templates and the short form videos with whatever text, color, graphic, basically anything that you want on there. Now, since this might take like a few minutes to process, I'm just going to show you with this video what this platform does for you. So this is maybe like a 13-minute video, and after it processes, it will automatically create shorts for you. So you can see this created 9 shorts for me, and it only took a few minutes. So think about it. If you have a few videos to upload, you can create over 30 shorts in probably less than an hour. So as you can see, if you click on the shorts that they created for you, it's going to show you different type of templates and different cuts of your video. So basically, all you can do now is either download what they already created for you, or you can customize it and choose specific areas and specific sections of your video that you actually want to create shorts on. And for an example, let's say this one's like 44 seconds, and let's say I want to edit this one. So maybe I don't like exactly how it looks, but I like where the video's at. Click on edit and download video, and this will pop up, and now it'll show you the different type of templates you can use, which is so amazing, and all of it is customizable. So one thing that I always love to use is like this one, something that has like a headline, it's simple to the point, but it also has subtitles. And then down here, you can also see you can move around where you actually want the clip. So maybe the AI generated a specific area that you didn't necessarily like. You can move this around and actually clip it to where you want it to be. So let's say I want to change the title. I can change it to the best at-home job to make 10K. I can change it to that. And if I want to change, let's say I want to change like the color, I can change like the color, the text, the outline. Maybe I don't want that because now you can't see it. But you can change the color. Maybe let's say I want it to be purple. And maybe I want to change the font to this instead. And then there is also some other options right here, Cut Magic, which basically helps you cut different pieces of the video. I haven't really necessarily played around with this. You don't really need it to create short form video. But then we have subtitles, and the cool part about it is it automatically brings subtitles on your video. So you can choose what type of subtitles you want. There's ones where it'll show you 2 words at a time. This is like 1 word at a time. This is if you want like the words highlighted. So if I play this, let me turn that down. So if I play this, this one will highlight the words when I'm actually talking. This one will highlight the background of the words. This one, it's a little bit different. This one, it just highlights like random words. So let's say I usually choose this one because it looks the best. I can edit it, and I can also edit if I want to add like emojis. So let's say for an example, I want to add like a $sign in it. I can click on, okay, let me first pause this and go back. Let's say I want to start off by adding like, I don't know, I'm just going to add in a $sign. So now you can see there's a $sign that pops up, and this is also movable here. So it's not just like stuck where it generated for you, but you can also add like emojis and graphics that pop up with the subtitle. So now you can see a $sign pops up. So you can add emojis for like every single line if you want to, but you can also customize the color of the subtitle. So this right here, actually, let's go back. So actually it's down here, effect color. So let's say I want to change it to purple because I wanted to match. That's what I would change it to. So this is like, it's just so fun because there's so many different like types that you can use. You can use the highlight, a lot of different variations. So also that way you can have like different type of short form videos and they don't all have to look the same. There's also elements that you can add in. So if you want to play around with like images or other videos on here, you can add this in. If you want to add a progress bar at the end, you can do that as well. Maybe I want to add like a purple one. So I add that in there and click out of this if it'll let me. And if I hit start, now at the bottom, it should show me, oh, this one's at the top actually. So different like templates will have different areas where the progress bar is. I think I can move this, and I can. I'm learning with you guys because this is something new that I just like learned of. So there's still so many features that I'm learning. But now if you do want a progress bar on your video, you can add that in there and it's fully customizable. I see that you can add logos too. So if you do want to add a logo, maybe at the corner of the screen, you can do that as well. And if you have a specific outro or like brand, there's stock outros too. So if you want people to add you on Instagram, follow you, that will automatically be added at the end right here. Follow for more videos. So you can see it is super customizable. Like I absolutely love it. And most of the time, the AI, it will create videos that I love. So I don't have to spend time really editing much. The most I'll edit is maybe like where the video is cut, and then I'll just add in like my brand colors and that is done. So after you're finished with this, all you have to do is hit download video. And if you do have the free version, it'll either be 720 or 1080. Honestly, I download in 720 and it looks absolutely fine. Otherwise, you can get the pro version and download at 1080. So if I hit confirm, it might take a little bit to download. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to process. But once I hit download, it is going to automatically be on my laptop. So that way I can upload it basically anywhere. So you can see your video is exporting. So it might just take a few minutes for it to download. Let's hit done. So now you can see this is the video that we created using Vidyo.ai, and it is absolutely amazing. You can see how simple, easy, and effective that was. In under an hour, honestly, it might not even take you an hour to make 30 reels or short form videos that now you can post for the next month. That's an entire month where you don't have to sit there, shoot videos, edit, add text, or cut it yourself. Comment below and let me know if you're going to try it because it's been an absolute game changer for me, my business, my social media, and all of my platforms. I always love to bring the best information, tools, and resources for you as you build the most unforgettable life by being your own boss. So comment below and let me know if there's also anything else you would love to see from me. If you guys love this video, make sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Every single Sunday, I come out with a new video, Sundays with Sabah. So until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.